Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw Thomas Train. At first, I'm drawing a nice big circle of his head. I draw his eyes.
Thomasandfriends, with his whistle so bright, chugging down the tracks with all his might.
Eyebrow.
His wheels always spinning.
I draw his smiling mouth.
The friendliest engine fulfilling.
And let's draw his body.
Percy's so cheeky, with a smile and a wink. He loves a good joke on the railway's brink. Smaller and greener, with laughter so bright, bringing cheer and mischief with all of his might. For his might. The Express, so mighty and fast, the largest of them all, his presence will last. Pulling important trains at an incredible speed, the biggest blue engine fulfilling need. The biggest blue engine fulfilling a need. After year, Toby's bell rings out, a friendly hello. His square little shape, we all love him so. He puffs and he chuffs with a wise, gentle smile, carrying passengers for mile after mile. Carrying passengers from mile after mile. Hand me the green engine with worries so deep. Sometimes in the tunnel he will fall fast asleep, but he's brave and determined with a whistle so strong, pulling mighty freight trains where they belong. Rails gleaming brightly, adventures in store. Working together, they'll always want more. From Knapford Station to Brenham Docks, Thomas and friends like ticking clocks. The island of Soda, a place of delight. Seas sky and mountains shining day and night. Stories to share.
Let's coloring with black. Blue, red, pink, black, gray, black.
Engine, with his whistle so bright, chugging down the tracks with all his might.
Gray,
his wheels always spinning.
black,
a heart full of steam.
gray,
The friendliest engine fulfilling his dream. And Percy's so cheeky, with a
Black.
He loves a good
Yellow.
joke on the railways.
Orange. Blue.
Smaller and green.
Dark blue.
With laughter so
Blue.
bright. Bringing cheer
Red.
and mischief with all
Blue.
of his might.
Yellow.
For his might.
Dark blue. Red.
James the red engine, so splendid and proud. His paintwork gleams
Blue.
brightly, stands out in a crowd. He might be a show off with just a bit of flair, but helps out a friend with a heart full of care.
Gray.
Gordon the Express, so mighty
Black.
and fast. The largest of them all, his presence will last.
Gray.
Pulling in
Blue.
potent trains at an incredible speed.
Black.
The biggest blue engine fulfilling need.
Orange. Yellow.
The biggest blue
Green.
engine fulfilling a need.
Thank you for watching.